Okay, here we are now, going through a really thick jungle. This one hasn't been cleared yet this season. We've got the bolos out. I'm caught here in some of this undergrowth. Oh. Sorry, Charlie, for the delay. These guys are whacking their way in front of us. This is pretty much a drainage here. Well, my helmet's caught. Okay, I'm falling behind again. I should have one of those bolos in my hand, except I've got my gloves in one hand and the camera in the other. Okay, what you hear is the undergrowth scraping me as I pass through here. Okay, all right. Ah, there's a big cave in front of us. I'd better shut this off and hang on with two hands. Okay.